final part, we will code the submit function, the compilation backend, input handler, and we'll finish our full stack application. Welcome to Easy Tools channel. Today we will finish our amazing project. So without waiting, start building the rest of the application. So for that, we just have to come to the front end again. And if you remember, this is the part for the response. Right? This is the part for the response. Server response set server response equals use state. For the moment, this is empty. And you come here in the response and we had set server response data, and you show server if server response exists. So if you get the response, you just show it in the div. For the moment, we don't give the class name, just see how we design it. So we call it server response, and we display the response with the pre body. Don't forget to transform JSON.stringify server response new to save, and we come here to try again. So select the language, for example, and we will make a test. Print I have finished. Submit. Right here. Can add 8, for example, and say times equals int input have finished, and submit times dot format times. See, submit. I have finished and submit 8 times. So you have just finished this application. It was a pleasure for me, and I'm waiting you in the comment section if you have any question. Thank you, and I want to share with you one bonus. So here, if you remember, in the backend, we have fixed this. But if you want to go deeper, you can modify this, because we can select another language. If you remember, this API can handle like 80 language. So if I go to the PyDoodle, For example, he can handle 80 different language. You see? So, 50 plus language. So after, you can try with the other language. Thank you for following this tutorial to the end, and see you the next time.